have some tips for you guys. So if you are wearing masks like most people are when they're going outside, then you can adding some essential oils to it. So the top 4 that I would recommend that you use to make a little concoction with, put it in some water, add it to a little bottle that you can spray onto your mask before you put it on, are rosemary, tea tree oil, oil of oregano, and clove. Also add peppermint or lemon, but those ones that I mentioned in the beginning are the most powerful for fighting colds, flus, and they're antiviral, so that's why I love them. Not put it onto your mask. If you're going to be wearing your mask anyways, you can have another layer of protection. So you can make your own by using some rubbing alcohol, the essential oils like I mentioned, the oil of oregano, the tea tree, the clove, rosemary, and then you can make your own little concoction up. And then also to be sure that you're moisturizing as well when you get inside, because all of the, after you wash your hands, are extremely drying and stripping away the moisture. Some of you might notice that you're having a lot of cracks in the skin that can lead to wounds that can have, you know, bacteria enter in. Just moisturize. You can use some of your oils, almond oil, sesame seed oil, moisturizers that you have at home. You could use coconut oil, an aloe vera plant at home. You could take some of that and put it onto your skin. Just get creative, use what you have. I know supplies are limited at some stores and stuff, so just I think we're all using this opportunity to get a little bit creative with some things that we have at home already. So best of luck, guys, during this quarantine time and social isolation time.
If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I would love to hear from you, and be sure to check out my website, yukoturnbull.com.